One of the most erroneous errors in the Quran is the reference to Mary, the mother of Jesus, as the sister of Aaron. Her identity seems to be irrevocably confused. The investigation taken up in Surah Maryam 19:28.
Now, when the Muslim explained that this is a respectful way of talking, as the Quran says from the beginning, فَأَتَتْ بِهِ قَوْمَهَا تَحْمِلُهُ. This is Surah 19, Surah Maryam. So at length she brought the babe to her people, carrying him in her arms. قَالُوا, they said, Ya Maryam, laqad ji'ti shay'an fariya. Say, oh Mary, truly an amazing thing has thou brought. That how is it that you brought this child into the world without a husband? Insinuating that the child is illegitimate. What is she to do? Can she tell them, Mrs. You know, I heard voices and I carried a baby for 9 months and now I delivered it and I brought it here. Were they in a mood to listen to her? No. So they say, Ya ukhta Haruna, O sister of Harun, ma kana abuki imra'a saw'in wa ma kanat ummuki baghiya. Say, your father was not a man of evil, nor thy mother a woman unchaste. You coming from such a noble family of the priests of the Bani Israel, because Musa alayhi salam and Harun alayhi salam were the imams of the Bani Israel. Imamat, leadership, was a family tradition among the Jews. And as such, coming from a noble ancestry of being in the family of Harun, Ukhta Harun, what is she to do? She points to the babe. Ask him, because she knew that this is no ordinary child. فَأَشَارَتْ إِلَيْهِ, but she pointed to the babe, and the babe, by a miracle, Jesus spoke from his mother's arms. The Christian nods his head. He says, no, Muhammad didn't know the difference. Alright? I said, you see, the answer to your problem is in your own book. It is in the first book of the New Testament, chapter 1, verse 1. You'll never forget. 1, 1, 1. 3 aces in a game. You'll never forget. You remember I showed you the genealogy? Yes. The first verse, it says, this is the genealogy of Jesus Christ. Jesus is the son of Abraham, he is the son of David. Then in the Gospel of St. Luke, in the other genealogy, he is the son of Joseph. Then in the book of Mark, he is the son of God. Wait. He is the son of Abraham, he is the son of David, he is the son of Joseph, he is the son of God, God is his father. A man who's got 4 fathers. In your language, sir, in America, what do you call him?